I am glad to review my free sample provided by FEISEDY. So it is this elegant square sunglasses. They are oversized, but they are so beautiful. Okay, so first of all, the first thing that I love about these glasses is they are polarized and they prevent the harmful UV rays on your eyes, directly on your eyes. So mine is color elegant champagne. This is how it looks. It has pearls here, so I love the design, it's so beautiful. This is how they look. They also come with a carrying case that you can put in your purse, in your car, anywhere in your backpack. This is how they look. As I told you, it's oversized, but this is perfect for the days that you don't have makeup on and you just want to put this in a little bit of lipstick and still you look fashionable, you look elegant, and you're taking care of your eyes. I like it. I hope you try them out. They're really cool and fashionable, and you look pretty. You feel pretty when you put them on because they match different outfits, they have different colors, so they're so fun to wear. Thank you for watching my video.